back again with another video for these guys. Alright, today's video is about what springs I use to lift my car, the front, the rear, the shocks, the front and the rear. I'm going to tell you guys what I use. A lot of people have been asking me this question. I got a list in my pocket, but I'm going to measure it for you guys. I'm going to measure the car for you to see how high it is. As soon as I park the car. The shocks that I used are factory for my car, 1984 Cutlass Supreme. They're factory. I ordered those factory. Those ain't nothing special. They're not for another car or anything. But the front ones are KYB 343127. I'm gonna post pictures of this at the end of the video too, of the screenshot I took of the shocks and the springs and the cups. So the front ones, KYB brand, 343127. That's shocks. The rear shocks, KYB brand, 343157. So the front ones are 343127 and the rear ones are 343157. And the cups that I bought for the rear, because when I put the springs on, I noticed the front was up a little bit more than the back. It looked good. A lot of people liked it like that, but I had a lot of music in the car, and I figured when I put all the music in, it was going to go down even more, and I didn't want that. So I ordered 1-inch lift cups from eBay. I'm going to put the description of that on the screen for you guys, because the title for that is really long. And they don't have a brand. I don't see a brand name that I wrote down, but they're it says, this is the description: 1-inch rear lift cups for 1977 plus Cadillac DeVille, Eldorado, Oldsmobile rear 1-inch spring spacer lift kit. Yeah, that's why I'd rather just post the picture of the actual thing. All right, for the front springs, Husky Springs, that's the brand. Husky Springs RC 5404. And then the rear springs, AC Delco 45H 3007. And you can take a look at that. Pause it if you got to. I don't know if you can see it, but that's my scribbles for making this video. Like I said, I'm gonna post pictures of everything that I bought. The front shocks, the rear shocks, and the cups. I'm gonna tell you about the front springs. It's easy taking them out, the old ones, but putting the new ones in, we took them off. He cut the springs out. He cut them. Watch out, because it's dangerous, and them things pop. He cut them off with a torch. That was the easiest way to do that. And then you got to unbolt everything, but putting them in, oh my God, man. It took one day he cut both sides of the springs. We took everything apart and we put the new spring in. I think we did the driver's side first. That took one whole day. And then I thought we was going to do the whole thing in one day, but nah. We had to do the passenger side on another day. It is hard. The people say get that spring compressor, the little thing you put in the middle and you tighten it up, and I bought that for no reason. I think it was like $20 for that thing. I bought that for no reason because the thing we put it. It was working at first. I put it in, I set it up. It was compressing the spring, and then the threads got stripped or something, and we just threw that away. That was just a waste of $20. You can, maybe you'll have luck with it, but we didn't. He even told me it wasn't gonna work, but I at first I thought it was gonna work, and then I was gonna throw it in his face that it did work, but it didn't because that thing ended up stripping out. Yeah, those things. If you don't have a lift or something, I don't know. Maybe you know how to do it a better way than we did, but the guy that I did it with, me and my friend Billy, he did a lot of those things, and it was a job. Like I said, we didn't even finish in one day. We had to take 2 days to do that. We did the driver's side on one day, and then the passenger side another day. I wasn't even planning on leaving my car there, but I had to because he already cut the springs on both sides, and it didn't matter really. I just wanted to get it done. And he wanted to knock it out too, to get it done and over with. But we got it done. It is a big job. It is a big job. I wouldn't, if you don't have a shop or you don't have the right tools, like air compressor and air tools, and I wouldn't do it on the ground. Gonna find a spot to park so I can measure the car and see how high it is from the ground for you guys. Yeah, it was a big job. And when you're done with it, when you're done with the front springs, you're gonna have to get an alignment. So I don't know how much it costs where you're at, but it's been like a year, almost a year since I did that job, and I don't remember how much I paid. I think it was like $70 for alignment, but that was a while ago. And you know how prices of everything else is going up. But let me see where I can park so I can measure both sides for you, front and back. Without anybody disturbing me. I'm just gonna do it right here. Yeah, there's another thing that I gotta tell you guys before I start measuring. You're definitely gonna have to get a front end alignment when you change the springs. And while you're in there, you should change the upper ball joints, the lower ball joints, and the I didn't change the bushings, the upper and lower ones. I didn't change them. I shoulda. He was like kind of mad that I didn't get them, but yeah, you should definitely change. You don't have to, but you should definitely change the control arm bushings, the top ones, the upper and the lowest, and the upper and the lower ball joints. I changed the ball joints on mine. I put Moog in there. Again, those was factory ones for my car. I didn't order those for another kind of car. I didn't get extended ones. I got the original. So the ones that go on this car for the 84 Cutlass Supreme. I'm pretty sure, I'm not positive, but I think all G bodies should be the same, whether you got a 2-door or a 4-door. It's the G body. I'm pretty sure the frame is exactly the same, but I could be wrong. But I'm about to do these measurements for you guys. I'm not a damn carpenter, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is. I don't know, what is it? I don't know the 3/4, and I can go half, like inches and halves. I don't do the little lines. I didn't stay in school that long, so. All right, so first we're gonna do the driver's side rear. From the ground to about the middle. It says 30 right there. So it's to the bottom of the chrome. That's what, almost 29 and a half. Let's go to the front now. Again, this is the driver's side. It's almost 29. I don't know if you guys can see it, but almost 29. I don't even know if I'm in the middle, but almost 29. All right, let's go around to the passenger side front. It's about 29 exactly. You guys can see that? I don't know. Hopefully you can. Go to driver's side rear. It's like 29 exactly. So I don't really got anything heavy in the trunk right now. I got a toolbox. That's the only heavy thing that's in the trunk, but that's what I got. Like I said, I'm gonna post pictures of the stuff that I bought so you guys can see it for yourself, and maybe it'll be easier than that. Easier for you guys to see which one you need for your car. I think 2-door and 4-door is the same exact thing. You can use, but I would definitely change the ball joints. I use Moog or Moog, whatever it is. And yeah, hopefully that helped a lot of people out. I know a lot of people have been asking me what springs and shocks I used. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to see the cups, but I'm gonna try. You see the cups right there? Yeah, but I'm gonna post everything, and hopefully you guys help a lot of you guys out that's trying to lift your car up. But that's what I did to mine. So, and it looks good, and it's high. It rides good. It's not too hot. It's just about right. Show you guys under the car from the front. Yeah, you're gonna have to probably buy new links too. The stabilizer links. I bought stabilizer links. I bought ball joints. I bought tie rod ends too. I forgot all about that. So inner, the sleeve, outer, stabilizer links over there, new springs, new shocks, new ball joints. Almost everything in this car is new for front suspension, but I didn't do the 8-arm bushings. I should have, but when I went to the shop, it was already too late, and we already started doing it, and we wasn't waiting another couple days to do that. All right, so the pictures that I showed you, I'm just showing you that so you can get the part number. I know I said it at the beginning of the video or earlier in the video, but I put the pictures so you can see the number for yourself, just in case you didn't get it the first time. Um, Definitely try to find the cheapest place, like Google it or whatever. But I'm just showing you the stuff that I bought, and it worked for me. I got a 1984 Color Supreme 4-door. Um, I have no problems with the car. It's been on there for about a year now. So hope this helped you out, and you guys get to lifting those Cutlass up to put them rims on there, or just lift it up like I did with factories on. It still looks good, but that's about it.
I am out of here.